This is All India Radio, Shillong, the Northeast News Bulletin read by Rahul Chatterjee. Assam Chief Minister Sarbananda Sonowal said that his government is committed to strengthening infrastructure in Guwahati to make the city the gateway to Southeast Asia. Various infrastructure projects have been taken up as a top priority by the government to make Assam one of the best states in the country, the Chief Minister said, while laying the foundation stone of a 4-lane flyover in Maligaon area of the city. Expansion of Guwahati city under the State Capital Region Plan and its inclusion by the centre in the first round of Smart City project are indicators of the vision of both the governments to make the state capital and Assam the new engine of growth for the country, as envisaged by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, he said. The Kamakhya Temple, closed since March due to the pandemic, reopened on Sunday for devotees amidst strict COVID protocols, temple authorities said. The Garbhagriha or Sanctum Sanctorum of the temple will, however, remain closed for devotees, while they will be allowed to go around to perform the parikrama or circumambulation and offer their prayers outside the door of the main temple, the Doloi of the Temple Management Committee MC Sharma said. There were a few devotees on the first day and they had to undergo the rapid antigen test at the foot of the Nilachal Hills, atop which nestles the famed Shakti Temple, and also a whole-body sanitization at the sanitization chambers set up to ensure COVID prevention before entering the temple premises. The Mizoram Government has lodged a protest with the Tripura administration over the proposed construction of a temple in a disputed area along the border of the two northeastern states. Mizoram Home Secretary Lalbyak Sanghi had written to the Tripura counterpart Borun Kumar Shahu seeking the stoppage of the construction of a temple at Thaidor Tlang near Puldungsei village in Mamit district. Lalbyak Sanghi said the proposed construction along the disputed interstate border can cause law and order problems. The Mizoram government has received a report that a local organization of Tripura is attempting to construct a temple in the disputed area. In Manipur, 3 persons have died due to COVID-19 infection, taking the total number of fatalities due to the pandemic in the state to 91. 234 people, including 12 personnel of Central Armed Police Force, have tested positive for COVID-19 in the state yesterday. With these cases, total number of affected people in the state has reached 13,326. 198 people were discharged on Sunday and the recovery rate is 78.82%. So far, Manipur has recorded total recovered and discharged cases of 10,504, while the number of active cases is 2,731. In Nagaland, 70 people tested positive for COVID-19 yesterday, taking the total number of affected people to 7,019 in the state. Health and Family Welfare Minister S. Pangyu Phom in a tweet said that among the new cases, 51 were reported from Dimapur, 13 from Kohima, 2 in Peran, and 1 each in Tuensang, Mon, Longleng, and Mogokchong. Among these cases, 40 are from the armed forces, 28 from traced contacts, and 1 each from returnees and frontline workers. 49 COVID patients also recovered today, adding the recovered tally to 5,684. The state's recovery rate is at 80.98%. Presently, there are 1,253 active cases. So far, 12 people have died due to infection, while 5 died of comorbidities and 6 deaths are under investigation. 59 affected people have migrated. The Deputy Commissioner of Southwest Khasi Hills District, C. Kharkangor, has declared the Meghalaya Rural Bank Mawkyrwat branch as a containment area after new cases of COVID-19 were detected. No person shall be allowed to move into the containment area, and inhabitants within the containment area shall not move out and shall strictly remain inside their home. Gatherings, events, functions whatsoever of any nature and forms shall not be allowed. No social, political, religious, economic activities are allowed, Kharkangor said. And with that, we end the Northeast News Bulletin, which came to you from All India Radio, Shillong. Have a nice day.